Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Unlimited. I am Vandana, and as promised, this video is again about cauliflower leaves and its stems. In my last video, I had shown how to make chutney with cauliflower broccoli leaves and how nutritious they are. And in this video, I'll show you how to make juice out of it. I have a little garden where I happen to grow a few vegetables, and that serves my purpose for having freshly plucked leaves and veggies. So here is my cauliflower plant, and its leaves are absolutely fresh and taut. The flower didn't grow much, but never mind, as the leaves contain double the amount of nutrition than the flower itself. So I have taken one pomegranate, one carrot, three quinoa or mandarins. You can take oranges as well, and some fresh cauliflower leaves. Wash and peel all of them properly. Put all the fruits and veggies one by one in the juicer. I have a slow juicer. And our juice is ready. Please excuse the color of this juice, but I promise it tastes really nice. The tanginess of the mandarins enhances its taste. Oh my god, it's actually resembling like milk with Horlicks in it. But when you take a sip, then you realize that it's an orange juice. And I have another juice recipe which tastes equally great. You just need sweet lime or mossambis and few cauliflower leaves and stems. That's it. Peel off the sweet limes and put it in the juicer along with the stems and leaves of cauliflower. And our juice is ready. And you get a lovely and rich green colored juice loaded with minerals and vitamins. So friends, do try making these juices and let me know about it in the comment section. If you liked my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share.